Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix missing iOS emojis on Android. So for that, make sure you will have Android device. After, just tap messages, open any of chat, and as you can see in the center bottom, you can see emoji icon. Just tap on it as well, and this is the all emoji, and I will just scroll down from the first to last. And if you just feel like just if you're missing iOS emojis on Android, so for go back, swipe up, just tap settings, scroll down, and just find journal management option. Just tap on it as well, and just click Samsung keyboard settings options. So as you can see, the option suggest stickers while typing, so just turn it on. So now it will be just provide emoji pairs, AR emojis, preloaded and downloaded stickers also. So in this way you will just have to fix missing iOS emojis on Android. That's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.